I will show you how to register to Mindtap and go to your Mindtap assignments. So when you're on your home page in Cengage, go to Modules. Let's do that. Go to Modules, and you see the first folder is all about Mindtap registration, your access to your ebook, and your homework assignments. And you see that page here, it says information about how to register and purchase your Mindtap course material. This is our textbook. Basically, it's just the ebook version, and that includes your all Mindtap assignments, homework assignments. So for now, before I go to Mindtap registration and homework, I will go to this information page, and that tells you how to register to Mindtap. So I will take you to Mindtap in a little bit, but please follow these steps to register to Mindtap. Remember that you do not need a course key to register because you're registering through Canvas. You're doing the registration through modules in our Canvas course. You do not need a course key. And when you sign up for Cengage through modules, once again, you go to modules, you click on Mindtap registration. If this is the first time you're registering to Mindtap Cengage, please go to that link and create an account. And you need to go to this separate link. Please go to this link. Click on that one, and that shows some options to purchase this material. The first thing you see is your free trial. Cengage allows you to have access to the material, I believe, for a couple of weeks. So you can do that. You can start your free trial and have access to the materials instantly. But I believe that they require credit card information, and it might show that the cost is $119. Don't do that. Don't pay $119. So because we have a special price, go down, scroll down on this page, you see that our price for this class. So our price for Cengage Mindtap is $40. Okay, do not pay anything more than that. And remember, if you need to go through CCSF bookstore, this material is also available at CCSF bookstore at about the same price. Once again, you can use your free trial, but then you will need to put your credit card information before your free trial ends. Cancel that, so that you don't have to pay anything. Scroll down on this page, use this link to make a purchase at $40. Okay, I just want to make sure you don't pay anything more than $40. Now, let's go back to our Canvas page. I'm going back to modules, and I will click on Mindtap. The first link, since I'm already signed in, I don't have to do the registration, but if it is your first time, you do your registration here. And then click on this link. This will take you to a separate page, to Mindtap page. It's going to take a couple of seconds, and then you'll see all the chapter readings and homework assignments. So there's just one little assignment here, just to get you started with Mindtap, so please do that. It is graded. As you see, it's due, it's past due, but you can still do it. And your actual homework assignments are going to be in the chapter folder. You see we have chapter 1 folder. Click on that. Where is your homework? It's in the homework folder. Click on the homework folder. You'll see the 2 assignments here with the due dates. So when you see the due dates, when it says counts towards grade, and also when you see these orange dots, that means these assignments are graded. There are so many other assignments for practice. These are not required. You can do them, of course. I recommend that you do them, but these practice assignments are not graded. They are not required. But please do not miss your homework assignment. You need to submit them by their due date. The following week, I open another folder for the next chapter again. You have your ebook here for chapter 2. Please go to this link and read your chapter. You can view other materials like quizzes, practice quizzes, and other materials. Where is your homework for chapter 2? It's in the homework folder. Let's click on that. For week 2, for chapter 2, you only have one assignment here. Once again, this time, study questions are for practice. What's graded is only chapter 2 homework, which has an orange dot next to it. I hope that's clear. And by the way, if you would like to read the whole ebook, you can go to this book sign here and you can have access to the full book. But if you just want to read the chapter, you can just read the chapter reading here. Here's the link. I hope this helps, but as always, let me know if you have any questions.